What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right behind me here I have a red Silverado that we just finished up. The customer's about to leave in it. You probably saw a little preview in the opening clips of the video here, but I have a full install video for you on this red truck. We did a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit, 37-inch Gladiator X-Comp tires, and 26x14 KG1 forged wheels. Also in the video, I did a little bit of a section on a couple of customers that I've lifted their trucks in the past. They brought the trucks up here today and they were clean, so I said, hey, let's do a comparison video because the trucks look pretty similar to each other. So stay tuned and leave me a comment. Let me know which one of these three trucks you'd drive home. Thank you. We have our red Silverado with the McGaughys lift done. This was a pretty involved install because everything on this lift kit was custom. The face plates on it had to be removed, and he did some powder coat work on some of the inserts on the lift kit. The powder coat guy wasn't nice enough to, you know, put something in the holes before he powder coated where the screws go into the face plates, so we had to tap every single hole, and it took like 2 extra hours. So this is one of those things about McGaughys kits that you guys should know. They do have face plates. They do have all kinds of little optional things that you can do with their arms and stuff like that. But man, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of time, and it takes forever to customize these things. So I think it turned out awesome, and I think the customer's gonna love it. So let me know what you think about the truck in the comments, and let me know what you think about the face plates. Does it look good? Did he do what he was trying to do with it and match all the colors up, or would you have done something different? Just let me know. Here's that pretty Silverado. I love this new front end on this truck. They started this in 22. They did a refresh face in 22, and then the first full year of this front end was 2023. So I think it looks amazing. The cross member here, we'll start there with McGaughys. We have their kit set at 9 inches. It's a 7 to 9 inch adjustable kit. The metal faceplate you see on the front here is aluminum. It's billet. That is the color that it comes. I don't know. It looks like he may have powder coated it. I'm not sure. It's really close to that color right out of the box. So he took the stainless steel accent pieces in the back right here that were normally chrome or stainless steel looking, and he had those powder coated red. And then he did his McGaughys logo in black right here, which is really, really cool. He followed suit with the front kicker braces right here. These come in the kit. He did the same exact thing on those. Those look amazing. And he didn't miss the rear. He did the rears as well. Has the traction bar here with the same faceplate and color coordination on it. Looks really, really cool. The wheels and tires we did is a little bit of a classic setup that I used to do a lot. The Gladiator 37 13 50 26. Beautiful tire. It's one of my favorite looks. The tire is a little bit rough at high speeds. It kind of has a little shake to it at high speeds sometimes, and it's kind of noisy, but it probably looks the best of any of them. The wheel we did is the 26x14 KG1 Yaz. This wheel is a polished forged wheel with a floating center cap. It's an upgrade from KG1. Very, very nice floaters is what they have. Overall, I'm really happy with the truck. Customer's coming to pick it up here in just a few minutes, and I hope he loves it. There were some other things that we were supposed to do to this truck that we ran out of time on. He had some wheel lights and rock lights. He had some grill lights going in here. A couple other things that we're gonna have to reschedule. I just ran out of time. All that other stuff really took some time. He did a upper control arm right here with the face plates and the ball joint cap, and it looks like he had those done in red as well. Very, very nice. There's your McGaughys strut. If you guys have any questions about this build, or you want to price it, or you want to price anything else you see on my channel, call me. I'm Jake, 678-994-9180. We're at Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. Thank you for watching. All right, guys, I got a little comparison for you today. These are two trucks that we have built in the past for two guys, and they both just randomly were here at the same time today, so I wanted to do a little comparison of the two. One's a 2022 and one's a 2020. The left one's a 2022, it's a RST. The right one is a 2020 Trail Boss. So this is a little bit of a question that I get a lot. The differences in the McGaughys lift kit and the FTS lift kit. This is the 9-inch McGaughys kit here with the cross member. Check out your angles on the front, very, very good angles. And then if we go over to the RST truck, you will see the 9-inch FTS lift kit. A little bit different design on the cross member, but both are great kits. So whichever one that you like is the one I would go with for you. But FTS is a little bit more customizable. So this one, if you see it, we have the white backing plate in it. McGaughys doesn't offer any backing plates or anything like that, so this is pretty cool. Overall height, I'd say they're about the same at 9 inches. The Trail Boss got a 26x14 Hostile Savage with custom caps here from Cap King. And then we got the 37 14 50 26 Fury with their upper control arms from McGaughys. Over here, same size tire, 37 14 50 26 Fury with the 26x14 KG1 Vortex in gloss black. There's the FTS equivalent upper control arm with white on it as well. Both trucks got the power steps. Looks like Jesse's truck over here, he did the traction bars from McGaughys. This truck over here from William does not have traction bars yet, but I think in the future he might do that. Let me know what you think in the comments about both trucks. Which one do you like better? Do you like the all white front bumper? Do you like the black front bumper better?